What is going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to get the no legs glitch on Watch Dogs. All you have to do is get the exclusive white hat hacker suit when you buy the game on PlayStation. So when you buy the game on PlayStation, just go and go to the shop.
Hello.
Put on the clothes, and sometimes it glitches, sometimes it doesn't. Like right now it glitches with me like there, and I have no legs now. It's pretty awesome, but if you really, it's annoying you, just all you gotta do is quit the game, come back on, and then the legs will be back. Yeah, that's the glitch.